What's up sa inyo? Yeah. Ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Pisonet. Simulan na natin, guys. Case number 0457 Purok. Subject Jeff A. Santos. Missing person. Whoa. October 20, 2018. Satal? Uy, gago. Uy, ba't ka nakabag? Cutting ka na naman, Lods. Use mouse to look. Okay. Undilim ang putik. See the zoom. Uy! Ba't nakabag ka ba, Lods? O, ginagawa mo. Tapos gago, di ako makagalaw. Where's Jeff? It's getting late. Gago, isip race tournament ang buta. Gago, ang bagal ng dialogue. Wala gumalaw. Wog blocks. Level up. Toko. Uy, puking ina mo. Ha? Gago. Puta, bawal gumalaw. Tang ina mo na yun. King ina nyo. Sila nagpatay ng ilaw, Lods. Tang ina naman ng tagal. Uy, putang ina mo. King ina mo, Jeff. Fuck you. That one you got real good, right? King ina mo, baliw, gago ka. Bobs. I love Bobs. Ina mo. Baka mga Lods. Ha. Nakakatawa. Putang ina mo. Yun. Yung ina mo. Sa point kita yung gagawin. Just gonna reach the chairs real quick. Oh, here comes the employee of the month. Tama yun. Tang ina mo, di ka na namin kailangan. Bobo ka eh. Bal tumakbo. Gago, bal tumakbo. Dilim. Gago, Dragon City ba yan? Dragon City nga. Ina. Gago, kamukha niya yung Cart Titan. Tangina, nakakamiss naman to. Ngayon, natalo ka na, Lods, ha? Ina mo, abnoy, gago. Marunong ka ba niyan? Uy, nakita kayo na. Nanonood ka, no? Kingin na mo, ha? Huli siya, eh. Altab, eh. Bilis, eh. Kingin, eh. Gawang bilis nun, tangina. Bilis ng altab mo dun, ha? Hindi ko nakita, yun. Ano yun? Utang na, iba yan kanina, eh. Gago. Ulol. Puta, di na niya binalik. Ay, pa dito. Okay na. Uy, puking ina. Uy, butang ina mo na yun. Upal. Okay na, Jeff. Uy, Jeff. Ang ina, di mo nakita yan. Uy, puking ina mo. Uy. Okay na. Ayos dyan. Ito, tambay ka lang eh. Bawal daw tambay sa nila Ate Shirley eh. Ano na, putang ina. Ano nang gagawin? No watching, bawal manood. Tang ina, meron nanonood, no? Uy, bawal na manood, uy. Okay. Hey, same day tomorrow. Sure, I'll be here. He started a part-time job at our local pizza shop to earn some income lately. Felt something strange like someone was watching him. You see, some people are medium, sensitive to things, man, and I don't want that. Wala takot. But on that night when he's on duty, it gets worse. The air changes. Someone watches. And I can feel it. Wow.
Wow.
October 26th. The first encounter. Business was slow today. Puta. Eh. Sa iyong ganda. Dahil sa iyong ganda, ako'y nakatanga. Tanga na, may pansit kantan pala dito eh. Jeff said I can close the shop early. Press key. Ay, nito pa. Hindi, tanga na, ba't mo papost? Classic yan, Lods. Ay, ito. Kala ko yung sarili kong keyboard. Time to arrange the chairs. King ina mo. Ito, pansit kantan. Pansit kanton. Ako? Tangin na. Ito na yun. King ina, grabe naman yan. 10k. No smoking. Kaya palang init sa ano nyo. Ang hina ng ikot oh. Uy. Hop. 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 Putang ina mo. Hop. Lu. Hop. Lu. Hop. Hop. Gago ka, may multo dito. Oy. 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 Ina mo. Sapakan tayo.
What the
Shit. O na, tapos na. Time to arrange the chairs. Okay, ito pala. Okay na. Hoy! Booking ina mo. Aray. Ano sa tenga naman nun. Tapakan tayo. Fuck you. Why this slot always empty? Siyempre, dyan yung multo, gago. I think I can add another unit here. I have to get the parts from the shelf. Boom! Wala. I need to pick up PC case, AVR, slot machine. Puta. Ano to? Slot machine to. Uy, nalaglag. Bawal sweldo. AVR. May ikot-ikot to.
Helicopter.
Wow, tangin na magic. Uy! Poking ina mo, sino ka? King ina mo. Bawal na tambay dito, tanga. Who are you? Bakit? Kung ina mo. Domo. Nyari gago. He can't forget what happened that night, and since then, he always felt back pain. He took his leave and rested for a few days since he said he couldn't afford to lose the job. He forced himself to go back to work. Breathing started. Change. He kept getting angry. Nasinapian na siya. October 29, 2018. The Presence. Chapter by chapter. Okay. Utang ina mo, Hawks oh. Utang ina mo, walang damit oh. Ipuking ina mo. Tang ina mo, minumulta na ako dito, Jeff. How's the shop doing? Where are you? I need to go now. Oh, gago, tang ina mo. Babaliw na ako, Lods. Almost there. Wait for me. You better be here by 9:55, puta. Inorasan. Hey, I only have 2 legs, you know? Call ended. Chot tomate. I want to tell you something. Wala na. Putang ina mo, classic. Uy! Putang ina mo, Dota. Warcraft, sarap. Ina mo, ikaw ata yung mga... Ikaw yung nagka-Tetris eh. Anong papangat ang mukha nyo po kung ina nyo? Ay puto, nalaglag. Ano yan? SF? Pare-pare sila lang ngipin, gago. Putang ina. It's not on. Wala naman naglalaro eh, ba't mo bubuksan? Uy, uy. But I need to arrange the chairs at least. Ano ba meron sa upuan, puking ina? Wala naman ganyan na lang eh. Kaya may multa mag-ayos, di ba? Pop? Okay na. Okay na. Hoy. Saan ba yun? Tangina, creepy naman. Ay puta, ito pa pala. Sumakasakit na likod ko. Sumakasakit na likod ko. Hoy. Utang ina mo. Ginagawa mo dyan. Sasara na ako eh. Kaya na mo, baliw. Hey kid, are you okay? May sugat-sugat ka pa. Where's your parents? Saan naman sa tayo? Putang ina mo. Pag! Putang ina! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Ina mo kala? King inang yan. Wala naman siyang kalaban, gago. A child bruised in a tree and in tears, but he has no choice. He is the only one that can see him. Tanga, baliw na to. Ni third eye. Oh, puking ina mo. Character development. He only wanted to help him. Nako, samakta pa sa Halloween. The mistake. Okay, be brave. I can do this. I'm here. Show yourself. I want to help you. Oh, puking inang bait. Sana all. That's what you want. Not again today, huh? Introvert pala to. You want me to arrange the chairs? King ina, ano ba meron sa upuan mo? Hinampas ka siguro ng upuan. Already done this yesterday. If you don't want me to leave, I need my phone before I go. Ayusin mo muna yung upuan, Lutz. Pop. Okay. Tangina. Flashlight, cellphone.
I am so proud of you.
Ano? King ina mo. Ay, putang ina mo ka. Namatay yung monitor ko. Ano na gagawin ko? Putang ina nga. Labas na ba ako? Uy, putang ina mo. Inang pinigilabutan ako. Sapakin kita eh. Uy, putang ina mo. Authorities this Foulway shop owner under investigation. Purok Dosman, a young boy whose identity is still unknown, was found dead late Tuesday evening inside Purok. The child, believed to be between 7 and 9 years old, was discovered alone and severely bruised with broken bones and sign of fire abuse. Sander heard faint cries from the shop owner claims to have no knowledge of the child present at the hospital. We're not investigating the situation as possible case of recurrence. So the severity of injuries suggests that it was not an accident. Piotr Alvarez, kasalanan mo to, tangina mo. Lumani at this stage. You're treating the shop owner as a person of interest, POI. The child cause of death is yet determined and frozen. Adopted. Authorities have been unable to locate any relatives. Shut down the wire for the party. Tangina, huwag ka maingay. King ka naman, nagbabasa ako. Several locals have come forward with reports of strange occurrences at the location. Always felt like something was wrong there, said one neighbor who asked to remain anonymous. People said it was just this machine, but now I don't know anyone with information regarding the other. Okay, na mo. Ayoko na. Oo na, kabisado ko na. Alam ko na nangyari sa'yo. Ano na? Putang inang yan. Putang ina mo! Kagang puta. I found blood all over the walls. I never understood what happened to him. He doesn't. I tried asking, but no one had seen him. Not a single trace. It was like he never existed. Customers complained about his strange house and spiral research. Find the stars. It just couldn't away, so we decided to close the shop and move. Jeff. Bobo kasi si Jeff. Tangina. Pisonet. Pangina yan. Ang beses ako nagulat, gago. Galing. Ganda mo. Nice one. Puking yun mo. Help us understand what really happened that night. Tapos na. Back to title. Okay, doon nagtatapos. Salamat. Peace out.